Welcome to Summer Huahin323. To book your stay, simply scan the QR code that will appear on screen now, or check the description below for a direct booking link. Summer Huahin323 offers a fantastic way to enjoy your vacation, offering both relaxation and activity. You'll find a well-equipped fitness center, perfect for keeping up with your workout routine. Afterwards, cool off in the refreshing outdoor pool, surrounded by beautiful views. The hotel's also super close to the beach, ideal for some fun beach sports. Think beach volleyball, or even trying out paddleboarding and kayaking in the sea. Plus, we've got convenient parking for all our guests. So, whether you want to relax by the pool, stay active, or explore the beach, Summer Huahin323 has something for everyone. Don't forget to scan the QR code to book your stay at Summer Huahin323 now.